Good morning. Welcome to the Storm Morning Meeting. It's the 16th of September, 2021. We're just going to do a bit of a recap after yesterday. Yesterday, we saw some decent volumes as a couple of stocks went ex-div. We saw some continued selling in CFR and a few of the other big constituents. And I think the S&P obviously did quite a decent reversal. It's about 25 points higher since our close. Some of the big tech stocks leading the way. This morning, it's a bit of a dull picture in Asia. I think we've obviously got quite a volume-driven day with futures closeout today. We've got BHP Billiton's up about 1% in Oz. We've had Sasol that's traded very well on our index, with natural gas prices going to all-time highs or to highs. We've had this week with CPI coming out in the transitory camp, and sort of nothing really moving. No big massive dollar moves. 10 years come down a little bit, but nothing really hugely macro. Just to look to today, not too many ideas ahead of closeout. I think there might some positioning in our direction might be determined once closeout arrives. But one or two ideas that we've got. We've got the rand this morning a little bit on the back foot. Obviously, yesterday was a big day for Sibanye being ex-div, and a lot of these platinum shares, have been whacked quite hard. So the first one we're going to look at is Sibanye. There is news out this morning that Sibanye has gone into a joint venture with Ioneer. See how the market reacts to it. Obviously, looking at the chart, it is pretty diabolical. But I think let's see how the market reacts to this lithium partnership. I wouldn't be watching the action. There has been a similar pattern that you have a bit of a sell-off in the first hour or so, and then the stock regains just a couple of levels. 51.84 and 55 are sort of two material areas of interest. So I think we watch how the stock trades. There has been volume there, both sides. So I'm not saying buy it, but I'm just saying that it's probably a stock to be watching quite closely for a snapback if you do get one. The next one is CFR. We have been speaking about CFR. CFR is quite exposed to China, the luxury goods sector, and I think there's quite a lot going in the property sector of this Evergrande situation. CFR is one that could be still further hit with regards to further clamping down in China. So just to watch. I think today we're going to be flirting around the 200-day. I think it's at 155.84. Just watch it here. If it does break, there'll be quite a quick move lower. You do have a bit of a weaker rand today, but I think all in all, if this stock we probably look to be shorting it. And then another one, I think Sasol's been obviously incredible. Did break out of that range, and it's such a swift move to close to 250. Let's see if it digests a little bit. Some notable areas of interest is 231. It did actually pull back there on Wednesday. What keeps Sasol? Sasol is definitely one of the strongest stocks. Very, very tough stock to be playing in terms of CFDs because it does whip around. But 252 is sort of the area. If it can get above 252, then it's properly broken out. Other than that, just be careful in the stock. And then Kumba. Kumba is another one. You've had iron ore that really hasn't been able to bounce at all. This is another one that we're watching just to take noticeable interest. The next level is 554. It's broken through its 200-day. It really does look weak. I think any bounce to 618 can be sold until further notice. And then finally, FirstRand's coming out with the results today. This stock is definitely one that's on our buy radar. Really good set of trading updates. So let's look. They're expecting HEPS in their guided in their trading update between 461 and 479. One that we can watch. Some notable areas of interest is $60 and 60.50. I think if we can get above 62.50, then we can really be game on here. Those are ideas for the day. Good luck. I think in terms of the Aussie might be one that might be a little bit weak this morning, but as I said, we don't know what the activity is. I think the open interest is pretty decent. It's sitting at 28. I think it's at 28,900, which isn't too bad. So hopefully there'll be some decent opportunity come close out. Good luck for the day.